Hey, welcome. This is Scott Rulon, and welcome to my Web3 Profit Review. Legit 4% weekly return on investment MLM or Ponzi scam. But before we get to my review, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can receive future videos. Thank you so much. So again, Web3 Profit Review, legit 4% weekly ROI. Well, welcome. Feast your eyes on the latest passive returns opportunity to pop up. And I decided to investigate further to see if it was on the up and up. Someone may have approached you on social media or elsewhere about the investment passive opportunity, and now you came here to make sure it's absolutely legit. The good news is I'm going to walk you through the company, products, and affiliate program. I'm not sure it's for you, but I wanted to make sure you could make the right decision to join or not. Yes? So what happens next? Pay close attention and listen to this to the end. So we're going to be talking about several things with Web3 Profit Review. We're going to talk about what Web3 Profit Review is, what are its limited product line, how do you make money with Web3 Profit Limited Review, what are its investment plans, what's its affiliate program, how much does it cost to join Web3 Profit Review, what are other Web3 Profit reviewers saying, and the final verdict on Web3 Profit Review. So I know a lot of you out there are tired of scams, and as a consequence, I will give you my number one recommendation on what kind of work to do on the web. So Web3 Profit. If I can guide you through the Web3 Profit and how it claims to help their clients to achieve financial freedom through forex trading and different investment opportunities or activities. But I am going to ask you at the end if you do me a favor, but more on that later. When I peered into who runs or owns the company, there's an information void. That's what I said. There is literally nothing on the website about who runs or owns the company. That's a little scary. In fact, the website looks a little antiquated. It looks like it's from probably the 1995 era. So anybody that's asking you to invest between $10 and $30,000, you would think they'd have enough money to write a modern website. In fact, there are no SSL certificates, so that means that their server is not secure, and yet they want you to drop your hard-earned cash? The domain web3profit.net was privately registered on January 12th, 2022. So you would assume that when a scheme or a company has a 1995 style website with no SSL or security certificate and no leadership, it's definitely suspect. But let's just continue on. Web3 has no retail products, nor does it have any services. But of course, you can become an affiliate and promote the Web3 Profit affiliate membership. So how do you make money with Web3? Web3 Limited provides a duo of ways to produce returns with the company. First method is investing in their investment plans and start receiving a claimed guaranteed return. The second method is recruiting new members into the company who start investing and start earning a commission on what they invest. Investment plans. Web3 has 3 plans you can choose from with different criteria and returns. The first plan, you can invest anywhere from $10 to $3,000 and receive 1% weekly return on investment for 100 weeks. The second plan, investing from $3,000 to $25,000 and receive 3 times the amount, 3% weekly for 100 weeks. Or then there's the third plan, investing from $25,000 to $75,000 and receiving 4% weekly return on investment for 100 weeks. They do, of course, in the modern era, accept a variety of e-currencies for payment, anything from Bitcoin to Ethereum to BitPay to Bitcash, the whole thing. So, what about their affiliate program? Referral commissions are paid on a single-tier unilevel compensation plan. You can earn up to 10% commissions on your personally recruited affiliate deposits. At the A level, from 100 to 500 deposits, they'll pay you a cool 1%. At the B level, if they invest from 500 to 1500 in deposits, they will send you a cool 5% commission rate. And on the C level, if you have 1,501 or more in deposits from personal recruits, the commission rate is a whopping 8%. Wow, that's a great deal. Annuities, in fact, only pay 6% if you were looked at the commission rate on that. So that type of commission rate is very high. So what's the cost to join Web3Profit Reviews? Well, Web3Profit's affiliate membership is, of course, without cost. To the rest of us, that's free. But if you want to become part of the investment opportunity, you must drop anywhere between $10 and $75,000. So what are other Web3Profit reviews saying? Well, currently there are only a few Web3Profit net reviews out there, and they are 100% biased. Well, why is that, Scott? Well, they're biased because most of them are affiliates, and they just want to recruit you in to the Web3 profits. They don't actually do any research like we've done here. They have no idea who owns or runs the company, but certainly they want to make those investment commissions off you. So why would they say anything bad? So what's my final verdict on Web3Profit Limited? Is there a scam here? Well, here are the facts so far. First, there is no transparent leadership running this company, because they insist on hiding behind a computer screen and a website with no SSL certificate means any of your transactions are not secure. Anybody could go take a look because there's no SSL. Second, they claim to produce 1 to 4% weekly return on investment for 100 days, but they can't afford a modern website or an SSL certificate. Any modern day web designer, they wouldn't have to pay a whole lot to, and they could have a nice website rather than the 1995 style one. Number 3, I couldn't find any external revenue coming into the company. So all I could see is new investments paying off existing members, which makes this, you got it, a Ponzi scheme. Surprised? Don't invest here. You will lose your funds. Just one more thing. If you actually want to learn a skill that makes regular income, feast your eyes on my number 1 recommendation below. It's been in business for more than 2 years, and it teaches online courses to teach the people skills on how to make money online. And it's definitely not a gimmick. In fact, I have met the owner of this corporation back in August. His name's Jeff, and he is a tremendous entrepreneur. He would do anything to make sure that you would succeed. So tired of scams? Here's my number 1 recommendation. If you came to this blog, I bet you're like me and want to actually know how to build a profitable business online. Yes? We are offering a business course that assists you build any online business, including network marketing. You are going to learn precisely how to drive your ideal customer to your website, scoop up their emails, and convert them to buying customers. Guess what? Without ever having to talk on the phone. Isn't that great? Yeah, I know about the 800-pound gorilla. Hey, remember that favor I was going to ask you? Well, here's the favor. Why don't you go take a look at my blog site, myfinancialfair.com, and you'll see this button here that says Partner with Me. It would be my pleasure to help you build your online business. There's a lot of value here, and there's a lot of value in this course. So go ahead and hit this button and learn more about it. because once you learn the skill set and the mindset, there are few limits when it comes to building your business. Plus, you get an over-the-shoulder one-on-one advisor to make sure everything is done spick and span. You can certainly follow me on other social media. Look in the description field below. You can follow me on Facebook. In fact, I'd certainly invite you to join my Facebook group, Fun with Finances. There are 4 basic questions that you have to answer, but once you answer those questions, I'd be very happy to let you into the group. We talk about interesting ways to manage money and to grow an online business. That would be a great place for you to go to learn more. In fact, we have a Facebook Live once a week in which you can learn that kind of stuff. Please also subscribe to my YouTube channel here. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that bell icon to receive future videos. You can certainly follow me on Instagram, on Twitter, and today you can even follow me on TikTok. Although I don't sing and dance. I do a little acting, but I don't sing and dance. So if you're tired of failing in business, then click here and check this out to take your game to the next level. Thank you so much, Scott.